My family knows I collect, but not to the extent that it is. Not to the extent that it is. Warren's a small Pennsylvania town. It's got lots of old historic brick streets. It is built around the Allegheny River. It's just the type of town that when you cross the street and someone's driving by, probably should just give a warm wave to and just say hi, even if you don't know each other. So it's an outdoor company in California.
Yeah.
And they're here to do a story about me because I collect so much of it.
Yeah. Okay, well that's good.
Yeah. I mean, we're all kind of big thrifters. My sister's a huge thrifter. My mom loves to go to estate sales. My dad has always been this, use things to the very end kind of guy.
I think Bryden's obsession, so to speak, of collecting these types of things probably relates back to his growing up in a rural part of Pennsylvania in the natural environment. We tried to introduce him to the natural wonders of the United States, and I think that all plays into his ability and love of collecting these types of items.
There's a Patagonia collector group chat. Just had someone reach out, and it's a picture of a late 70s trench coat. It's got this tag. That's for sure like 1978 or 1979, because they changed the tag in 1980. This is the Chouinard Carabiner that my friend found at a yard sale and kept on his shelf for a while and then gave it to me. Yeah. So cool. It's really funny how this color pops up in a lot of outdoor clothing. There's actually a rhythm hoodie that they made in almost this exact color, and I've been like reluctant to buy one because it looks cool in pictures, but a lot of people online have said that when they're wearing it, they feel like they're the Grinch. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about that one. But it's a good color though. I'm not really sure about when the first time was when I heard or learned about the Rhythm pile hoodie. I loved the cuffs and I loved the reinforcement on the arms. So I have 7 and there's 10 colorways in existence, so I'm 70% of the way there, but I'm not really sure if I actually want all of them. I'm kind of feeling a bit excessive now that I have all of them in one spot. Here are my Rhythm hoodies. We got the oatmeal. This is the dark green or Loden Heather, orange, the eucalyptus, dark blue, black, velvet brown, it's called. I don't know which one is my favorite. There's so many moments that are stuck in my mind as these like huge memorable experiences. Like for example, this is my friend Emma in Japan, and I was probably wearing a Patagonia jacket in this moment. I'm a snowboard filmmaker, and I get to travel all over the world with my closest friends and make snowboard films. My friends are doing something that's very dangerous and very risky, and you just never know what could happen. So when I'm witnessing these amazing things with my best friends, and I have these hoodies on or jackets or whatever it is, it crosses over for me. And that's the story that they tell for me. Is that the like name of the YouTube series? I think the two worlds of action sports and the vintage collecting universe, they meet at the value of things being preserved in time. Collecting all this old outdoor gear has definitely changed the way that I think about consumerism and consumption. When I see brand new clothing, my mind goes to this place of like factory, shipping container, retail store, and then there you are standing, looking at it, reusing items or clothing. I always wonder about who was the person who owned this? What did they do with it? Where did they take it? Because I now own it and I'm taking it places and making all these memories with it. In the present, that's when the most meaningful things can happen.